previous lecture we saw the properties of the corresponding angle, alternate angle and the interior angle. Then you have to utilize these properties in this example. Write the properties of corresponding angle, alternate angle and the interior angle, and you have to utilize these properties here. Means you have to write which angles are congruent, which angles are supplementary, that you have to see. So this is AB is the transversal. AB intersect line PQ and line QR at point M and N. Once again I will repeat, transversal AB intersect line PQ and line RS at point M and N. Due to this transversal AB, three types of the angles will form. First type of angles are corresponding angle, second type of angle are the alternate angle, and third type of the angles are the interior angle. Then one by one you have to learn properly what is the property of corresponding angle. Corresponding angles are congruent. But here you have to read the angles by the three names. You have to start with the arrow end and you have to read the angle. By any arrow end you have to read. You have to start to read the angle. By three letters you have to read the angle. So which are the corresponding angle? Corresponding angles are congruent. How many pairs of the corresponding angles are there? 4 pairs of the corresponding angles are there. Which one is the corresponding angle? Angle QMA. QMA and angle SNM. Angle QMA. Angle QMA is congruent to angle, what you have to say? SNM. SNM. Second pair of corresponding angle. Upside, if upside finish at that time you have to start with downside. QMN. Angle QMN is congruent to angle. QMN is congruent to angle. Start with the arrow end. This SNB. SNB. To the left side, this and this angle are corresponding angle. This and this angle are corresponding angle. If you want to read this angle, you have to start with arrow end. QMA is congruent to angle SNM. Then next pair is this and this angle are corresponding angle. How you have to read this angle? QMN. And how you have to read this angle? SNB. This is one side of the transversal. Means to the right of the transversal, to the left of the transversal, which are the corresponding angle? This angle and this angle are the corresponding angle. How you have to read this angle? You have to start with the arrow end. PMA. Angle PMA. PMA is congruent to angle RNM. Angle RNM. Then downside angle you have to take. This angle and this angle you have to take. Angle PMN. Angle PMN is congruent to angle RNB. RNB. This is here. Everybody understand this? QMA SNM. Then second pair is angle QMN, angle SNB. Third pair is angle PMA, angle RNM. Fourth pair is angle PMN, angle RNB. Okay, these are the 4 pairs, and you have to utilize that. This and these are the corresponding angle at that time, they are congruent. This and these are corresponding angle at that time, they are congruent. This and these are corresponding angle that time, they are congruent. This and these are corresponding angle at that time, they are congruent. Then friends, you have to see what is the property of alternate angle. Alternate angles are congruent. First of all, you have to read the interior alternate angle. Then you have to read this angle. First of all, you have to the transversal, whatever be the left side of the transversal, whatever be the angle of the interior alternate angle form. So you have to say that angle QMN. Angle QMN is congruent to angle. This angle and this angle are congruent. Then RNM. Angle RNM. Then next one is angle PMN. These and these are alternate angle. Then Then you have to start with this angle. This angle and this angle are the alternate angle. First one is QMN. Now you have to say that PMN, angle PMN is congruent to angle SNM, angle SNM. Angle PMN is congruent to angle SNM. Angle QMN is congruent to angle RNM. Everybody understand? Means the alternate angles are congruent. These are the interior alternate angle. These angles are interior alternate angle. Then you have to read the exterior alternate angle. This angle and this angle are the exterior alternate angle. If you want to read at that time, you have to start with the arrow end. Angle PMA. Angle PMA is congruent to angle SNB. And angle, these and these are alternate interior, alternate exterior angle, angle QMA. Angle QMA is congruent to angle which one? You have to say that RNB, angle RNB. Once again I will repeat. These are called as the exterior alternate angle. First of all, I will read the interior alternate angle QMN and is congruent to angle RNM. Then PMN is congruent to angle SNM. Then exterior alternate angle PMA is congruent to angle SNB. Then next one is angle QMA is congruent to angle RNB. In this way, you have to read the alternate angle. These are the interior alternate angle. These are the exterior alternate angle. Then you have to start with the alternate interior alternate angle. Then you have to start with the interior angles. Which are the interior angles? These and these are the interior angles. What is the property of interior angles? Interior angles are supplementary. Then what you have to write? Angle QMN. Angle QMN is congruent to angle QMN, not congruent to supplementary. QMN plus angle QMN plus angle SNM. Angle SNM is equal to 180 degree. Angle QMN plus angle SNM is equal to 180 degree. Then this side, this interior angles, you have to read angle PMN. Angle PMN plus angle RNM is equal to 180 degree. In this way, you have to utilize this figure. Once again, I will repeat the property. Corresponding angles are congruent, alternate angles are congruent, and interior angles are supplementary. Once again, I will repeat this. Corresponding angles are congruent, alternate angles are congruent, and interior angles are supplementary. Everybody understand these things? So you have to write all these things, draw the figure in the notebook. I think you understand all these things. Thank you. Complete the notebook properly.